So now we're leaving this little narcissistic Bill, even though there's some nice people here. You know, I don't mean to be so judgmental, but both of you are very pretty. Take both of you are very pretty. Take care, honey. So we're going over here on Wilshire to try to get out of all this rain. So crazy, this rain is just amazing. Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. This is insane weather. Oh, and there's, oh my God. What the fuck am I gonna do here? This is insanity. Please, God, help me. I am bombarded by all this rain. You gotta get out of this rain, brothers and sisters. So messed up. It's a very messed up situation. There it is. There's a chance to get out of the rain. Okay, let's see what we can do. These little swanky bastards better wait your fucking turn. A lot of these people don't have respect for the way they drive. Some of them do, you know, some of them are nice. But yeah, a lot of people get in bad accidents around here or lose their lives because of fucking reckless assholes. Oh yes. Oh, this is the driver, I think. Beautiful, beautiful. Awesome situation. Providential God is trying to help me out of this rain situation. It's a nice African American lady there. She's a bus driver, I think. And that's a quick one. It gets there very quick to where I'm at. Maybe about 15 minutes. Literally, then it takes me 5 minutes, like a block to walk home. Very convenient, the 720. Straight down Wilshire. Quick stretch. Here's another one coming right now. Maybe I'll take that one instead. But I'll take this one. Hon, are you leaving right now? Can, can I get in here? Can I get? Fuck you. That was pretty good. Oh.